So when you call upon Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, you're calling upon a Lord who is merciful. You're calling upon a Lord who is generous. You're calling upon a Lord who hears. You're calling upon a Lord who can give whenever He wants, sometimes to someone who doesn't deserve it at all. Now here's the thing. Take all of that and then look at the dua of the Prophet ﷺ, or rather the hadith the Prophet ﷺ said about dua, that inna Allaha hayyun kareem. But you know, Allah Himself is hayy. He is shy and generous. He is too shy that if a righteous believer puts up his hands and says, Ya Allah, to let those hands fall, sifrani khaibatan, with absolutely nothing inside of them. Not because any of us have really done anything to where we deserve to be able to make dua for whatever we want and know that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will answer us. But the Prophet ﷺ is saying, when someone is righteous, a righteous believer calls upon Allah and raises their hands and says, Ya Rabb, Allah is too shy, too generous to let those hands come back empty.